How to transfer files from Android to PC using Bluetooth. So firstly, you got to enable Bluetooth on both your PC and on your phone. So on your phone, go to settings and then click on connections and then go to Bluetooth and then turn on Bluetooth. So once you have turned on Bluetooth, so now on your PC, search for Bluetooth and you go to your Bluetooth settings. And then once you get to your Bluetooth settings here, turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, so now that you have enabled both the Bluetooth, so next we go to pair our phone and the PC. So to do that on your phone, so what we're going to do, once you have turned on the Bluetooth, your desktop or your PC should be discoverable here. So okay, and as you can see under available devices, desktop, so that's my PC. I'm going to click on it and it's going to pair. And the same thing here on my system here, click on add Bluetooth and then here select Bluetooth and then make sure I'm going to look for my phone here, whether my phone is popping up being discoverable. So I'm going to do that. All right, you can see that my phone is now discoverable. So I'm going to select my phone, hit on connecting, and then it's going to ask for a pair. So just check the passkey, which should be similar to on your system, on your laptop as well. So once it's similar, hit on connect and also hit on pair. So this is now, as you can see, okay, it is now going to pair. All right, so now my device has been paired. So what I'm going to do now is simply, okay, on my phone, simply open the Files app and then just select an item or any file that I want to transfer. So for example, let me choose an image, and then here on my system here, simply select send or receive files. Simply click on it, and then here I'm going to receive my files, so click on receive files. And then what I have to do now, once that's done, simply go to my files and then just select anything that you want to share. For example, this image here, I will just select an image that you want to share. For example, here I'm going to transfer this and then select Bluetooth and then select from available devices, select your PC. And then once you select your PC, you'll see that this file is now being transferring, and on your PC also you will see that your file is being received. And that's it, you have received the file. So all you have to do now is simply save it. So this is where it's going to get saved. You're going to hit on browse, save the location where you want to like save it. Choose that, and once that's done, okay, once that's done, hit on OK and then click on finish. And that's it, your file has now been transferred from your phone to your system. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you transfer files via Bluetooth. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.